Sanibonani, hello, welcome. We are now going to do examples on calculating compound interest. When you read this question, the word compounded tells you it's compound interest, and annually is also very important because annually means, so you'll write down here, annually. Got to get your annually. Therefore, the number of times you will get interest is 1. Therefore, the I will be 8% is actually 8%, which is actually 8 over 100. So the I, which is actually 0,08. So the I will be 0,08 divided by this 1. Now this part is very important because you'll see if you don't start it from now, then you will get lost later. So that's I. Then you take your time, the N, the number of years is 3 times the number you divided by 1, and this final answer is 3. So this is what you're going to substitute, and 0,08 divided by 1 is 0,08. So this is what you're going to use in the formula. Now you want the interest. It says calculate interest. So the formula for interest, compound interest, is equal to P into 1 plus I to the N minus 1. So what is P? P is 5,000 into 1 plus I is 0,08 to the N, which is 3 minus 1 close bracket. Now you must learn to do this in the calculator one time, but just to avoid confusion, I'm going to do it step by step. So there's your 5,000, but I'll only do this part in the calculator first. So you'll take your calculator, you'll put it on, you'll say bracket 1 plus 0.08 close bracket cubed, so it will be to the power 3 and then minus 1 is equal to, and I get the answer 0,259712. 0,259712, and then I multiply this by 5,000, multiply by 5,000, and the final answer is 1298,56. So that's how you get your compound interest, right? Because this question said find the compound interest. Alright, so that's how you do it. Okay, we'll give you a few minutes to have a look at that, and then we're going to do number 2. Now we're going to look at number 2. So I'm going to erase what is on the board. And the question now in number 2 changes. The word is no more annually, the word is biannually. Now when you read the word biannually, it means 2 times a year. Biannually means 2 times a year. It means every 6 months. So the I is 8%, which is actually 8 over 100, which is 0,08. So you take the I, which is 0,08, you divide it by 2, and you can simplify it. In this case it becomes 0,04. So that is what I'm going to put in my formula. Then you take the N, the number of years is 3, you multiply it by what you divided You divide it by 2, so you multiply it by 2, you get the answer 6. So you want the interest. So the compound interest is equal to P into 1 plus I to the n minus 1. P is still 5,000 into 1 plus, now you use that I, 0,04, n is 6 minus 1 close bracket. Then this time I'm going to do the whole thing one time in the calculator. The last time I did it step by step for you so that you could understand, but this one I'm going to do it one time. I'm going to put in the 5,000 in the calculator, and you can do this at home together with me. Now there's double brackets here, so you make sure you put 2 brackets. 1 plus 0.04, close the bracket, to the index. Index is 6, to the index 6, then minus 1, and then close this bracket. Close the bracket, equal to, and the final answer is 1326,595, which is actually equal to 1326,60. So be careful, analyze these words very carefully, make sure that what you learnt in the table is applied here, then substitute in the formula and get the final answer. So remember that when it's compounded biannually, 6 months or 3 months or every 4 months or 2 months or daily, you will have to do these calculations here first and then use the formula. Alright, we're going to stop there, not stop there, we're going to now erase the board and give you a little exercise that you can try. So we will stop the DVD.